Alright, this video is on the kukui nut tree. Not sure what the scientific name of it is, but I will find it. Leaves are pretty big leaves. When I found it, it was just a small little tiny seedling that actually just popped up, and it was in the grass where it was at risk of someone just mowing it over. So I jumped out, I pulled it out, and I popped it into this pot here. I'd say that's a 3 gallon pot, and regular old Walmart potting soil did wonders for the plant. Every now and then I do saturate the top with a little Miracle-Gro, not too much or you will put the plant under stress. It's grown. When I got it, it was about this tall, from the top of the plant to the base. It was about this tall, and this was about 3 weeks ago, so it's grown quite a bit. And this is the famous kukui nut that you see, those all too popular kukui necklaces that are worn by tourists or locals here in Hawaii. I'll keep you updated on the growth of the kukui nut plant. The kukui nut plant that actually grows into quite a big tree. I'll post some pictures of what those necklaces look like, and how some of them are actually made. All right, see you next time.